Okay, so these are the Charlie Custom Toy Shop proton packs that are 3D printed. And before I put them on the figures and display them like that, well, show these off. This is how they are. I might add a few paint details. And, it looks pretty good. And these are the streams that come with the packs. They are designed to be completely removable, which is a plus. That's an improvement over the original. So I'll take a look at the detailing here. So yeah, it's a lot of nice detailing going on here. And you can see how this works. Probably put them in like that too. So you can have an original looking version, or even yeah, do it like that. Oops. Or do that. There's options here. And they look great. And it comes off the bottom, not from here. So let's grab this one. You can see, you can do that. Or if you really wanted to, even better improvement. And it's pretty solid connections here. I'm not too worried about them about these prongs breaking here. I know I keep going over there. I keep going up here. Also, there's a little tab for the traps if you got them. Now on the step.
Messages. We now return to the real Ghostbusters.
Okay, so here's how Winston looked with his pack on. Mind you, I've redone these figures, so they don't look the way they normally would. And take a trap and put it on here. Stays nice and neat. And here's Egon on here with his. Peter with his. Now, this Ray was a Ghostbusters 2 power pack, Hero 1. So, won't exactly fit with the way these ones would. So, I had to do some trimming, and then you put them in like this and then turn it and they lock in. Now with the proton stream on. Xenon with yellow for Egon. Now the streams do have a little locking point. This my Egon's arm is a little loose. See, they have a locking point, but if we just keep it a little from that point, and you can see all the packs have that. So kind of a little tight getting on, so you kind of want to find the right spot, and then now it's locked in. And as you can see, the trap won't fall off. So, is that with the packs? Now, what I'm going to do is paint up the packs a bit and bring out all the detail on them. But first, I need to point out that don't ignore this part, because this is my early attempt at replacing the string. So you can see the similarities with on the blaster part, but the differences. Now, back of the pack, this is the later version of the originals. Remember, the original came out the bottom. You can see detailing. This, I guess, is a bit more animation accurate. So now I'm going to paint these up and show them off again.
We now return to the real Ghostbusters.
Okay, so here they are, all painted up. You can see 3 different types of red there. Oh, nice, the detailing is all done. And here, you can see I did some black here, yellow here, chrome trim around here, and when you got this in here, that adds a nice little effect there. And silver here and then red here. Silver all the way around the edge, and then a little bit of chroming around this circle. And I did that to all of them. Also, looking at the packages for the reissues, I got the correct color matches for each figure going on here. And just to compare with the original I painted up. I couldn't exactly find a consistent color scheme, so I just pretty much improvised it. I almost forgot. Here's how the packs look with the ones attached to the pack. So that's it. Thanks for watching.